How to connect Xfinity Wi-Fi to Nintendo Switch. Turn on your Nintendo Switch and wait until the home screen appears on the display. Open the System Settings option from the home screen menu. Scroll down through the settings list until you find the Internet section. Select the Internet option to open the Internet Settings page. Choose Internet Settings and allow the console to search for nearby wireless networks. Wait for a moment while the Nintendo Switch scans and shows available Wi-Fi networks. Look through the list and find the Xfinity Wi-Fi network name you want to connect to. Select the Xfinity Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully using the on-screen keyboard if the network is protected. Check the password again to make sure it is entered correctly. Choose the Connect option after typing the correct password. Wait a few seconds while the Nintendo Switch connects to the wireless network and runs a connection test. Confirm that the connection is successful and return to the home screen to start using the Internet. Thank you for watching.